Hi guys, it's Mandy from KongKrewsumer, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day today. And I want to thank you for tuning in to our video. And today we are going to be talking about the air purifier that we use in our house. Now I have to be honest, I am the only girl living in a house of 3 boys. So you can only imagine what kind of smells I have to deal with. So this air purifier has been a tremendous lifesaver, and I mean a lifesaver. I'll let you use your imagination on what kind of smells I'm talking about, but it's been fantastic. And we have used this air purifier in so many different ways and places in our house. Over the summer, our oldest son had this chronic cough. It lasted for about 6 months, and we put this air purifier in his room and it seemed to help. We recently also just did our bedroom, and we had this air purifier running in our room the whole time that we were doing our construction. It was great on collecting all the particles from us cutting the boards and sanding the walls. It just collected all the particles really nicely, and we weren't scared about breathing the air after or while we were doing this project. The filters in this air purifier are also really easy to clean. At the end of each night when we were done with the construction, we would just take our shop vac that has a HEPA filter and a bag and just run over each of the filters, and it was perfect. We recommend having a shop vac that has a bag inside. It just allows your vacuum to run at a higher power for longer. If you guys are interested in checking out the air purifier that we are going to be talking about today, I will have a link in the description below so you can go check that out. And also I'll also include some links to some shop vacs that do have the bags if you guys are interested in checking those out. So let's go ahead and take a close-up look at the air purifier that we're going to be talking about today. It is the 5500-2 air purifier with True HEPA, PlasmaWave, and Odor Reducing Washable AOC Carbon filter by Winix. It has a True HEPA filter that captures 99.97% of the airborne pollutants, dust mites, and other allergens as small as 0.3 microns. It has a washable AOC carbon filter made from activated carbon granulars for removal of household odors. PlasmaWave acts as a permanent filter to safely break down odors, allergens, chemical vapors, and other pollutants with no harmful ozone. Smart sensors gauge the air, and auto mode adjusts the fan to filter the air as needed, with a sleep mode for silent nighttime operation. CADR rated for a 360-foot room, suitable for medium to large rooms, kids' bedrooms, family rooms, and kitchens. This purifier has 4 fan speeds. You can manually set the speed to exactly how you want it. The speeds are low, medium, high, and turbo. It also has smart sensors and an auto mode. The smart sensor consistently monitors the air around it. The LED indicator displays the quality on a scale of good to poor. When the unit senses a quality change, it automatically adjusts the speed at which it is running to equalize the pollutants and create clean, pure air. The LED auto dim feature senses the amount of ambient light in the room and allows the unit to adjust the brightness of the display. This purifier will also let you know when it is time to change the filter. The control panel will display an LED alert until the filter is changed. On an average, the AOC carbon filter and the True HEPA filter needs to be changed every year. This air purifier also comes with a remote, which has been amazing. This has saved us a lot of time. We're not constantly going back and forth. You go change the fan speed. No, you get up and go change the fan speed. My husband just literally takes it out of the drawer, changes it to what we need it to, and it's done. It has been fantastic. So let's move on to the height and weight of this air purifier. The height is 15 by 8.2 by 23.6 inches, and the weight is 15.4 pounds. So now I want to show you how easy this air purifier really is to use. If I can use it, anybody can use it. So let's take a look. So here you can see is the on-off button. Right beside the on-off button, you have the mode button, which controls the auto and dim feature. Then you have the PlasmaWave button. When it is turned on, PlasmaWave will be in blue. And right under the PlasmaWave button is the air quality indicator, and it will indicate 3 levels of air quality. It's either going to be blue, yellow, or red. The fan speed button is next, and you just keep pressing this button until it is on the speed that you want. There is also a timer button that allows you to choose 1, 4, or 8 hours. And here you can see the check, filter, and reset button, and right over here is also the sensor. So now I'm going to go ahead and open the air purifier up because I want to show you the 3 different layers of filters. The first thing we're going to do is take off the front panel. This is very easy to remove. All you have to do is pull forward and it comes right off. The first filter you come to is the screen, which for the most part gets most of your bigger particles. The next filter you will find is the AOC Carbon filter, and this has actual carbon granulars in it, and the granulars make it very easy to wash so you can reuse it over and over again. And then the last filter is the True HEPA filter, and that captures 99.97% of the airborne pollutants, dust mites, and other small allergens that may be in the air. This is going to finish up our video on the Winix 5500-2 air purifier. We are really glad that we decided to purchase this air purifier. It has helped our family in so many different ways. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and be on a lookout for a future video of something that we made that is built to also take away fumes, and it is amazing. So make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss that video. I will put a link down below in the description if you want to go check out this air purifier. And by clicking that link, it doesn't cost you anything, but it gives us a few cents on the dollars to continue to make more videos for you guys. And also comment down below if you have this purifier. We would love to know what you guys think about it. And if you have any questions, put those down in the comments as well, and we will try our best to answer those. And I just want to thank you for watching and spending your time with us, and I'll see you next time. Bye.